Today we're learning on how to do the miniPLUS cargo bag on the rear of the unit. So what you're going to first do is take the top strap and slide it through the handle and then through the little latch right here. Pull to make it secure and just strap it on. Then you take the middle one, do the same thing around the base of the neck. You want to try and get it as tight as possible. And for the third one, this one will actually, instead of going around the unit, will go a little more under this little knee bar right here. And then same thing, just latch this in, tighten it up, and there you go.